This video is made possible by Surfshark, the best VPN on the market. What's up, my boys?
Hey!
Most of you guys know that we are moving to Madeira. So today we are gonna give you a little introduction to our new apartment, which is pretty epic if you ask me.
We have found the coolest apartment we will ever live in. And today we're doing a house tour, but it is a virtual one. First of all, is it difficult to find a rental apartment on Madeira?
You can easily find a rental apartment on Madeira, but finding a top-notch empty apartment that suits our needs with the balcony and the garage and
quality of materials and just overall aesthetics. This is literally the only rental apartment on the entire island of Madeira
that we liked,
that we wanted. We spend so much time in our apartment, so it has to be really nice because it affects our creativity and productivity.
And it's also a very Danish thing that the house has to be perfect. It's in our DNA.
So the location of the apartment, it's in FUNCHAL, the main city of Madeira Island, and it's in the area of São Martinho, which is unknown to us in many ways. We don't really know the area that we're moving into, but it's a great area as far as we know. But guys, let's just take you on the iPhone house tour. I was super hungover that day.
Also that day. So the apartment is the T3. It has 4 bedrooms, a kitchen and
3 balconies.
Yes.
1 big and 2 small.
It's fascinating. The kitchen is actually what I like the most, obviously, because I love to cook. It is huge and it has so much storage.
And I love that you have this lavanderia in the back. So from now on, I'm not going to look at any drying clothes because...
No, because that's gonna stay out there.
Yeah.
But what
think
really sells the apartment, I think, is the living room. You watch the sea as soon as you step into the apartment.
It's just blue when you walk in. I mean, standing in the kitchen and looking out is unbelievable. And it's 15 meters long, and then you have this huge balcony or terrace, whatever you want to call it.
I love the balcony.
And then you just see the entire bay. There's only 8 separate apartments in this building.
Yeah, I mean, look at that. It's so big.
And so we're gonna have 2 couches in this living room.
Yeah.
And the air condition is sealed. This is the entertainment bathroom. I love that.
So the place has an entertainment bathroom.
Yeah. And
okay, this is the dream.
Yeah.
We are gonna stay in a hotel room every single day.
This is like the presidential suite of a 5-star hotel, in my opinion.
Yeah, you even have like your own wardrobe, walk-in closet. Look at this.
Oh my god, I love this.
Oh my god. I can't believe you say you love it.
I love that. I can hide all the shit.
Yes, and every morning when you wake up, you will be looking out at the sea.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So that's the bedroom, obviously, and then you have the hallway that connects the other 2 rooms.
Yeah. So this one is gonna be our office, and we are gonna make this a really creative space.
Colorful.
Yeah, and Jon can take a dump out here when he needs to.
Yeah, and you can see down here, this is the underground parking, which I love because
you can suit 2 big cars. It's huge.
Plus more. We have a 50 square meter garage. It's crazy big. And then the elevator up to the apartment.
Yeah. So here, this is gonna be the guest room where hopefully COVID will allow our family to come and stay. They will have their own shower and a big closet.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
This is like twice the size of our current apartment, so it really is an upgrade, and everything is just quality. Let's get down to business in terms of what is going to happen, because Amalie, she's decorated the entire apartment.
Yeah, so I took the floor plan from the website and then I created it in a 3D setting so that I could add all our own furnitures into the drawings.
So all the furniture are almost the same ones that we will actually get.
Yes, so the kitchen is just gonna be the way it is. The only thing we're gonna try and do is to add a bit more of an earthy feel with like wooden frames and cutting boards and like nice things. But then in the living room, we wanted to create like this really nice flow where you have like 2 ways of walking. So everything is actually centered in the room because the room is so big that
it's very feng shui. Talk about the couch area, because I think that is one of the highlights of the new apartment, because it's so big that we can have two couches in front of each other.
Yeah.
And
One thing that we have been missing a lot living in the 2 other apartments we have had is that when you are entertaining more than 2 people, it's impossible to actually be sitting in the apartment having a nice time. And also we will have a television.
finally, we have found a Samsung TV called The Frame, which is, it has a bezel around, so it looks like a painting on the wall. And when the TV is shut, you can have a painting. Like it's dim and looks like an actual painting on the wall. And then it looked like just a collection of art on the wall. And I can't wait to see how that looks.
That's gonna look so great.
Yeah, and you
So
can get the bezels in different colors. And well, for now we have it in black, but maybe we'll get it in white or some beige wood.
On the other side of the couch, we're gonna have a little cozy area because we're gonna have a bio fireplace.
Because it's super cold on Madeira. This is going to be the cozy area of the apartment.
Yeah. The plan of the entire balcony is gonna be more or less like the one we had in Ajuda, but we are gonna get some new furnitures out there and we're gonna make it more of a social place where you can entertain people.
Yeah, we're looking to get a round balcony table because the one we have now is completely ruined by water, and we've been looking for one for a long time, but it's just
Since we moved to Portugal, we've been looking for the balcony table.
and they're impossible to get. But there are a lot of fun projects out here. You know, we Amalie, she wants to put on a little swing.
Yes.
Uh,
Because I love swings and it's just cozy, you know?
I love swings. How about instead of a swing like that, somewhere where you can lean back?
I don't want that because it's gonna take the view from the inside. It needs to be slick.
How about if you can just remove it, like when you don't use it?
That's not gonna happen.
I actually want an armchair to the balcony because another one of the projects that I want to have is an outdoor cinema. You know, one of those that rolls down and a projector. That would be cool.
Yeah.
And one thing I like about this balcony area as opposed to the one we have now is that it's covered on top.
So you actually have some shade during the day so that you can sit out there and work. Here in Ajuda, it has been a little bit tough every time we brought our laptop outside because the sun is too strong, you can't see anything.
And then we have the umbrellas, but then you have to move it around every 5 minutes because the earth spins. There are so many highlights in this apartment
For sure.
And I think the master bedroom is one of them. I don't know what to pick as the number one favorite thing.
The fact that you have your own suite is fascinating. Like,
I measured the bedroom with everything, and it's like the size of a good studio apartment.
But I mean, in here we're not really gonna do anything fancy. Everything is gonna be very much like our Ajuda bedroom. It's the same furniture, maybe some more art.
I'd like to have a TV in the bedroom. Amalie, she's against that because it interferes with your REM sleep.
It really does. Like, Jon, he never sleeps very well because
I sleep
you
terrific.
have your phone and then you're like, oh, phone.
When we stay at hotels and they have a TV at the end of the bed, I just love that.
It is really nice to have a TV. We are excited to announce today's sponsor, Surfshark VPN.
You guys know that we are almost religious when it comes to using Surfshark VPN.
But why? Isn't VPN only for paranoid people who think they are tracked everywhere they go?
Not at all, because the truth is that you actually are tracked everywhere you go.
And that is right from what you say when your phone is in your pocket to what you look at on the internet.
We have even tested this. When we don't use Surfshark VPN, we get all sorts of creepy ads related to what we've just talked about.
But Surfshark VPN doesn't only keep your online presence neutral like a Kung Fu Panda.
It also allows you to access Netflix content from the entire planet.
And that is super useful when you want to binge Netflix shows that aren't always available where you live.
Surfshark VPN is the essential tool for being safe and invisible on the interwebs.
Use our code stayclassy and get 83% off your VPN. And you even get 3 months for free.
And if you don't like it, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. All information down below.
I think this is definitely the most interesting room for me to decorate as well, because it's gonna be colorful and bold and fun.
And it's the office, of course, and we wanted to make this colorful because colors induce creativity, ideas, and actually we have just received a new carpet for the bedroom. Sorry, the office.
Yeah, it's not exactly like this one. It's more pastel colors, but it's gonna look so good with the blue walls and this wooden table. It's just gonna be a really fun space where you don't want to leave. We had a guest room here in Ashuda that nobody used because of COVID. So why don't we make another guest room here? We do have the space for it, and it's really nice because I know that all our friends from Lisbon, they are gonna come to Madeira quite often because it's a free vacation when they come and they stay here. And we're gonna make it look like a hotel room.
Yeah, but it's definitely the last priority because nobody ever visits us.
I mean, I already have got all the things we need for this room.
We don't have the lamps.
Except, yeah, I already got the lamps.
You ordered the lamps?
Yes.
Okay, well.
I've ordered everything, Jon just doesn't know.
I haven't checked the bank account, obviously.
No. But that's that, guys. It's this is what it's gonna look like, hopefully, if we succeed.
I feel like it's like the older I get, the more I want a big apartment, because when we started in Sardinia, we only had a 1-bedroom of 90 square meters.
And I thought that was fine.
Yeah.
I like that apartment a lot.
And now we have a 2.5, 3-bedroom here, but it's still only 120 square meters.
And it's really nice here, but the rooms are quite small.
Yeah, it's gonna be like twice the size, so we can just get space. I love that.
We are very, very spoiled.
And
to
we
get
can
this
grow.
apartment.
We can grow a little family, maybe.
Yes. If we grow our family, here's the kids' room.
Yeah. We just got a new painting, a beautiful painting. You remember the blue one we had? We never really fell in love with it, so we went out to the artist Ana Cristina Diaz and swapped it with another one that we really loved. It's gonna be like the statement piece in the living room. It's 160 by 130, so it's a huge thing. We want to make art ourselves, so
Yes.
because the parking area is so big, we want to make a little atelier down there so we can
Go there
just
and paint.
So many of you probably wonder how much do we pay for this apartment, and it is 1,800 euros plus utilities.
It's a lot of money, but it's still cheap for the quality of the apartment.
It's a dream apartment, and we can't wait to move in less than 10 days. And one of the things that I look forward to the most is being able to use the outdoor area 24/7.
The fact that you can wake up early in the morning, you can grab your and you can grab your coffee, and it's hot enough to enjoy it on the balcony.
Yeah,
While you can also eat your dinner out there,
once the sun has set.
and it's still warm enough. That is something Madeira can, that few places in Portugal can all year round, and I'm very excited for that.
Yeah, because when we've used our own balcony a lot, but during the winter it's impossible, and sometimes it's too warm during the summer that we don't use it either. So I think that we will be using our outdoor area 10 times more.
Yeah.
But guys, hope you like this virtual house tour. Let us know, what do you think is the best feature of this apartment, and also like this YouTube video for the algorithm.
It means so much to us, you don't even understand it.
Yeah, and it helps us getting towards our goal of 100,000 subscribers. You know, once that happens, you know, my life will be complete.
Thank you so much, guys. Obrigada por ver o video.
Até logo. Até
logo. Mwah.
And there's nothing I can do for you if you don't stay classy too.